going to the Spaceport America competition and we'll take you along. I'll see what's happening.
So our flight got delayed by an hour and a half. Our gate is now double booked. We might miss our connection. So yeah, fun time.
At least 12 hours later, we made it. Mexico!
Yes, sir.
Welcome everyone to our garage. This is where all the assembly is gonna happen and all the testing. So yeah, I'll take you along our SAC trip.
Let's go. We are adjusting our fill trap door, which we use basically to cover up the fill line when we're done filling the rocket and disconnecting. And we're just adjusting some pieces, making sure the tolerances are okay and everything fits within the intertank.
Where are we now?
We're eating our burritos, which is fucking enormous.
And chilling with rockets. Tony, merci, say hi.
Welcome to the Aero Car.
Devour it. Guys, please wait.
Hey everyone, guess where we're at?
We are waiting to register at Spaceport America Cup in the Las Cruces Convention Center.
And the whole team is here. Blake, what are you doing?
It's beyond explanation. You ready?
So now we're taking the group picture with everyone and all of the rockets. Everyone say hi.
We're currently setting up for the conference day. Everything's looking good. We just took the picture. Spirit is high and we're ready to launch.
Aerostructures is assembling the vertical stand now to assemble the rocket onto the stand so that we can assemble it here and we can show it during conference day. So the rocket is getting assembled and our table is almost done. Okay, so this is the last drogue fold before it actually goes into the rocket, so enjoy the time lapse.
What's up guys, welcome back to day 2 of conference.
It's day 2 and we're back with the team. Her name is
Tala.
and
So it's the day before launch day and we're testing the final configuration in terms of recovery. So here we have our COTS by computer connected with actuators, just making sure that although it is COTS and it works properly, make sure that it's adapted for our systems.
What are you doing?
I'm having fun. I'm a kiddo. You don't see my position? Like a kiddo.
This is the final preparations before launch day. Propulsion are preparing. Payloads are also assembling before launch day tomorrow. Onyx is being successful before launch. Final preparations and final tests.
I didn't bring it, just as squid tape and I want to use it for the igniter to make sure like we tape it seriously. But I can bring it back.
Rikov is finally packing and doing the last packing in the tube before tomorrow. So wish us luck. Final trailer preparations before tomorrow. Cheers.
Civilized on the rocket team.
at the Airbnb. It's currently 10:42 and we are currently debugging. Everybody's working hard. I think we're prepared for an all-nighter.
Prepping some beans for tomorrow. It's gonna be super yum. We're not gonna have any time to go get food, so we have to bring some stuff with us so that everyone is nourished and healthy.
So basically, she's cooking for 22 people.
Yes.
Thank you, chef.
Yeah, you're so welcome.
Whoa. It's currently 1 a.m. and it's Wednesday morning, and we haven't slept yet. We're doing a pull test to actually see if everything can go out correctly. And on behalf of the team, I don't know if you can see, but they're packing there. Some of us have slept yet. Leaving tomorrow at, not tomorrow, today at what time? 3 a.m. to go to the VLA. So, see you.
It's currently 1:46 a.m. The team is still going strong. We're almost done, almost ready to take a bit of a break, a bit of a sleep until maybe 3. We're planning to leave at 3:30. You can see everybody's still finishing packing. This is a vlog. We got this.
2:35 a.m. and today is hopefully launch day.
No, it is launch day.
It is launch day, and the trailer is packed, and we're leaving to the vertical launch area in an hour.
Hey, so it's about 3 a.m. and we're leaving for the VLE now. We're all packed up. Rikov packed everything. Everything's packed, so we're ready to go. And launching in about 8 hours.
We're ready. We have very specific places to go to, an order of people to drop off.
It is currently 5 a.m. We have arrived to the gates. McGill was first at the gates. Let's go. And we're gonna go back to sleep for an hour and a half, waiting for being allowed to enter the gates.
First car in the line.
Who's gonna take our spot? Is literally our spot.
And we're setting up.
How much black card are you using? You can't blow up.
6:20 a.m. The team is past the gates. We're setting up assembly tents, and things are getting real.
Yeah.
Oh yeah! Look at that.
Payload is assembling. Avionics is assembling too, and is almost ready. This booth is looking amazing.
So here's a quick tour of what's going on. So every team in this field has a designated spot for their assembly tents. The big tent over there is where the judges are. You can see a few of the labels if you zoom in there. Yeah, not a lot of teams have arrived so far, but this will fill out throughout the day and over the next couple of days.
Receiving.
Okay, 900.
We're integrating propulsion, avionics, and payload.
Sorry?
Recovery is almost done assembling. Recovery is assembled. Nose cone is assembled to the glass. The salvo at 11:30 and it's currently 10:30, so we're assembling the rocket and we're gonna go head to the ground station in order to assemble the rocket on the launch rail.
Ready to launch. Everything is ready, connected. We're gonna bring it to the launch site, to the pad, and check what's up. And meanwhile, Jerry the Lizard is chilling.
Done assembling the rocket. Rocket is assembled and we're going now to the safety check.
It is 11:40. We are currently set up at the ground station. The rocket is raised way over there. We are expecting to be able to start filling procedures very, very soon. We're really optimistic. We think that we're going to be able to launch and recover. So fingers crossed. I'll keep you updated.
The team is back from the launch trail.
Mother tank pressure. After velocity on the signal.
Oh cool. Oh cool.
No.
Oh.
Wish I was wearing that yesterday.
Okay, tell the vlog what are we up to?
Eating briskets.
Yup. Elsie's recommendation.
Yes.
Playing tug of war on our rocket to see if the main character is gonna come out. Okay, so we came back and our neighbor got us 22 different newspapers with the Rocket Team on it. This is so cute. Okay, vlog, do you think Taj is gonna make this ball or not?
Of course.
Okay, so this is part 3 of eating briskets. Say hi. Everyone is talking on sauce from Rudy's. So what are we up to?
I think about launching a rocket basically.
Oh my god, we got to Spaceport America. But look, there's cows on the street. No way.
Just hanging.
The whole team is here and we're having our last SAC dinner.
The writing of the M.
Yeah, it is.
We're leaving tonight, tomorrow morning. And we have to finish all of this food. So Taj,
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Yeah, go ahead.
you got this.
Mukbang. There will be no way.
Marty mukbang.
Bye, Southern Star Loop. So everyone, find a better way. Eat McDonald's.
Oh, viewpoint! We got there! We're on top of the world. Goodbye, Tundra. It was a hell of a ride. You shall be sorely missed.